Hi friends, how are you? Today we will discuss automated deployment in Jenkins. So this is a process of Jenkins build, deploy, test and release. Today we will discuss on the second step of deploy here. So let's see what can we do here. Login in Jenkins, click manage Jenkins and manage plugins here and search for deploy in available tab. Click on deploy to container and click button install and restart. Successfully installed. Click on restart and wait for the restart. Jenkins restarted here. Login, new item, project name freestyle project, okay, description of project. In build execute shell mention date command. In post build action we have an extra option here, deploy var/ear to a container. Click on that option. So now we have three options here, var/ear file, context path and containers. So now I am downloading sample var file, sample application, download here and save. Open terminal, switching to root user. Home Anis download C sample.var file is available here. So now back to Jenkins and mention the var file here. So I will copy this expression. So static slash set.var, file name is sample. In container I will select Tomcat 8. I will provide user credentials here, username, password, description. Add, select the credentials, provide the Tomcat URL. This is the Tomcat server. Copy localhost and paste it here. Apply and save. Now we have to copy that sample.var file in our project folder. Sorry, I have to provide sudo here. File copied. See we are in the project folder and file has been copied here. Clear. Switching to root to add a user in Tomcat. So I will open the file in user share Tomcat conf folder. So now I have to add a user in Tomcat user.xml file. I am creating user here, so I will copy line here and paste that and will change the username and password here. Username and user1 and password is also same. Exit. I will restart the Tomcat here. Restarted. Clear. Now everything is done. Now I will click on build now. Open console output. Shell command is okay here and project also deployed successfully. Finish success here. So go to the Tomcat server and provide slash, file name is sample. See, this is our project successfully deployed through Jenkins. Thank you friends. See you next time. Bye bye.